Hello everybody and welcome to our interactive on-screen tutorial for this week. My theme for this week is how to sell ice to an Eskimo. I thought that might be a nice topic for us to chat about, for me to share with you about how over the years I've perfected my own little recipe on how to sell ice to an Eskimo. And I suppose it's because it's about developing that ability to influence others if they are interested in what it is that you have to sell, and also just to be doing it with a whole lot of empathy and understanding that now might actually not be the right time for them, but they will keep you top of mind for in the future when the situation changes. I'm reminded of chatting to one of my greatest sales mentors. And he actually said to me, Odette, I was struggling with rejection in sales. And he said to me, Odette, sometimes no means maybe. So if not now, it might be soon. It could be in the future. And the lesson in that is that we need to really be treating people well, no matter if they are purchasing something now or not. If they are not purchasing something now and they've described an interest in what it is that we are selling, then the way that we treat them now could determine if they come back in 6 months' time and tell their friends. So my first tip in my recipe for how to sell ice to an Eskimo is to believe in what you are selling. You need to absolutely believe in what you're selling. Be passionate. It needs to move your soul and give you butterflies. That's how you must love what you sell. And that's essentially how it works for me within my own businesses and the experiences that I sell. Is I really love experiences. I'm obsessed with my bucket list. And so therefore I can't figure out why other people are not wanting to do these amazing, crazy things that I've selected and that I'm selling online. So the secret in purchasing a business or creating a business for yourself is to have those butterflies about what it is that you are selling. I need to be really, really passionate about what we are doing because customers can pick it up in our body language and the tone of our voice. It just comes through with our overall confidence. Even if there's maybe an area of our own business that we're unsure about, they will still be able to hear and to see physically and also online through tone, etc. If you love what it is that you are doing. And that really is half the battle one, is you need to love it. Through loving your business and having the passion and knowledge, it builds confidence. And confidence is like a muscle. We need to be working it every day, never ever stop practicing your confidence muscle. And that works as what I refer to as an attractor to customers. Customers are attracted to confidence. It's charismatic. Know your product inside and out, back to front. Know your operations and fulfillment process inside out, back to front. You cannot be taking calls from people and not understanding what it is that you sell and the journey that the product is going to take between you and the customer. How does your operations and fulfillment work? You need to know that. You need to understand your platform and all the tools that you're using, and you need to understand your products. And with that and your passion, it will come through as confidence over the phone. So I hope that really helps you in that area. You also want to be thinking about, being real, being authentic, being yourself. Don't try to copy anybody else. I know that we mimic and we replicate what our the companies that we idolize, what they are doing, and that's really good. I mean, I have my own little black list of companies that I follow, e-commerce platforms that I just think are wow. And I might replicate or mimic something that they are doing, but I'm always bringing into all of the creatives and myself over the phone, the sales process, my uniqueness. Be you. Just be you and be real. People are really attracted to that. So obviously with the body language that we were talking about, the tone of voice, remember that in your messages. when you're instant messaging your customers, when you're chatting to them online, and all of your business communications need to be an exact replica of who your customer support people are over the phone. Everything needs to be consistent and in alignment. That's something that's worth keeping in mind as well. Another thing that I've really picked up over the years is speed and consistency. Customers who are on your platform who want to burn cash, get back to them. Have an online assistant there. Have your WhatsApp, fully charged and ready. Like from 8 to 5, Monday to Friday, and unfortunately over the weekends as well. But my phone is, it's fired up, it's active, I'm at my desk, everything is plugged in, I'm ready to go. So when customers are coming through our ticketing system, our online chat, or my cell phone, I'm there, it's happening. So it really does encourage converting and closing a sale. People can really feel if you're not present in your business. So be present in your business. Be there for people when they have questions, answer them. Because if you don't, the impulsive shoppers are definitely likely to go elsewhere and find your product or your service somewhere else. People are very impressed by quick turnarounds and speed. Therefore, again, it's about being consistent as well. When you say you're going to get back to somebody, do get back to them. But time and time again, I have found that speed is a massive part of how quickly I convert sales. And just definitely be there, be available. Offer customers as many mediums for them to chat to you on through WhatsApp Messenger, Facebook Messenger, online Messenger, SMS, however they please. Let them chat to you that suits them. What you might also want to focus on as well are all of the noddy badges that you've collected. And it's another version for your unique selling points. Be aware of those and have them. When people are chatting to you online, maybe they're feeling, you can hear in their voice that they're feeling a little bit still uncertain, then you would drop in there, we've been established since, or we have this special insurance, or we have free delivery, or we have a money back guarantee. You'll pick it up in a customer if they're starting to be a little bit doubtful, and maybe that doubtful person just needs to hear more of your unique selling points, and that you're properly set up as a business to assure them to make that purchase. And then again, tying in to what I started with is the importance of how we make people feel. They don't remember what you said to them. They remembered how you made them feel. And if at that time they weren't ready to buy your product, and I'm not talking about cold selling, but if they weren't ready to buy your product at that time, treat them well. Send them on their way with whatever information they need about your business. Maybe they left you an email address that you can add to your email marketing lists, but treat them well, because that will determine if they come back when they do have a need in 6 months and 12 months' time. And just a reminder that we're all people, to be kind, to practice empathy. I know within myself, sometimes I get impatient, and then I know that I need to go and restore myself and rejuvenate myself. I think to be a good salesperson, we need to have a topped up cup. We need to have a full reservoir. And so therefore you need to be looking after yourself as well, so that you can be a good salesperson and not feel irritable or impatient with some of the questions that customers will ask you, or the busyness of your phone. So I hope that those tips have assisted you. It's something that I've been thinking about often over the years. And as I tell all of the customers that I coach for intermediate, basic, and advanced e-commerce, it really is all about your ability to influence, to be confident, to know your product. And I hope that some of these top secrets have assisted you. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.